Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to cook chicken and cashew nut. This recipe is different from the restaurant because the secret is the crispy fried chicken, which is some of the restaurant they don't do this, but I prefer crispy chicken. So the ingredient I will show you. We have the chicken here that I've been chopped up like this. I cut them kind of like this, 3 finger. Yeah, you can use chicken breast, you can use chicken thigh. I use chicken thighs because that's what I have. And then I have spring onion here. So this is spring onion, is quite big, but this is Australia spring onion. In Thailand will be allow this size, but compared to Australia it's quite big, but it's still spring onion, guys. Okay, the next one is pepper. Would be good if you can find like 3 color, red, green and yellow, but they don't have it. Yellow or orange would be like nice color, but they only have 2 colors, so that's fine. So chop it, take all the seed out, chop it like this size, almost the same size as the chicken. So onion, I slice like this. You can slice like this way if you like. The next one I have is all the sauce that I've been mixed. You guys know how I like to be mixing all the sauce together. If you want to know how much you put and what sauce you put, under the description. And this is chili paste. I think this is called chili paste. In Thailand we call pig pao. Okay, yeah, chili paste with soybean oil. I will tell you more about this one. And this is the crispy powder, and this is the crispy flour I mixed with the cold water for make the fried chicken. So make sure you can find this one from Pan Thai Nolasing. This is very good. When I was in high school, or when I in school, I like to have this one with bread. Yeah, surprise, I like to eat chili paste with bread, but it's amazing. This is so good. And then last but not least is the cashew nut, and I will show you how to make the cashew nut good. Okay, I need to lower the camera down a little bit. You can see I'm orange now because it's almost dinner time. The sunset is going down. Before we do anything else, before we start cooking, I like to cook the rice first. So our mom, she give us the rice cooking maker, which is help a lot, so thank you so much. We have the rice here. I like to eat jasmine rice, the jasmine rice from Cole. The jasmine rice give the soft textures than other rice. Indian rice quite hard, long. I don't mind, but if I can choose, I like to have jasmine rice. So just 1 cup, that's enough for us. So this is the trick that I learned from my grandma, how to cook the rice. I normally, when I don't have this one, I will cook with the pot and I will stir it around and I will check like you guys see in the video before. But I have this one now, so I will show you how to cook it. So because we are farmer, we don't actually buy the rice. The rice that we already buy is all they clean, but the one that we got in our house have like a the weed that coming out, we don't want to eat them. We need to clean the rice first, rinse them first. So now it kind of be like my habit. So I like to rinse the rice first with the water. I'm not sure you're gonna see that in the camera. I rinse them, clean them first, rinse them up. So some people using that water to spray on their face for anti something that make their face look younger, but I didn't do that. So you can see the rice here. I'll add the water to check if it's, I already washed my hands, so to check, you put the hand in. Yes, you put the hand in there until the rice is come to this part of your hand, like this part. So I need a little bit more, like that. Shake again. Yes, perfect. So now we've got the water, the rice, and then we will cook. The rice cooking maker would take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. I like them to cool down a little bit. Okay, let's go cook the rice. So the next step is to fry the chicken. I have the chicken here that normally people would dip and then fry, but I do the easy way. I mix them. You can just don't mix with the water, cold water, just powder, but I prefer like this. Or you don't want to do like the crispy chicken like me, you can fry them like a normal way, but make sure you fry them first before you fry with the chicken and cashew nut. Okay, I'm gonna taste if the oil is ready. Okay, just a little bit more. I heat up the oil in high heat right now. I'm gonna lower it in the medium heat. I already washed my hand, so put that bad boy in like that. And then I'll add the cashew nut. It smells like I like that way enough. A little bit more. Okay. Now let them roast. See, I have like a little bit color now. As you can see, I need more color. Also, it gives the cashew nut a nice smell. When it comes to deep fry, I like to use the pot instead of the pan because it holds the oil like better. I will cook them in low heat until they turn brown. I will show you later. Okay, now the cashew nut is a little bit brown. It's not brown, it's brown. Okay. Put it on here, let it rest. Put that pan there, and we shake our chicken. Okay. They're looking good. Okay, that's enough. Put it on there. Ooh. One more, I need to wash my hand. One more, I already washed my hand. There. More. Ooh. Okay, the rice is cooked. As you can see, inside there is so perfect. I like to turn it off. Otherwise, under that it's gonna be a little bit brown and dry. I don't like that, and I'm gonna leave it there. Let's see our chicken. This one is ready. I'm gonna turn the heat off, and then we're gonna move into the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna use the orange oil there. Just like 1 tablespoon. So 1 tablespoon, and I'm gonna add garlic. Alright, the garlic is in. We're gonna stir like this until the garlic is have the nice smell coming out, but not too brown. I'm gonna add the chili and the pepper and the onion. I'm gonna put the chili paste in, 1 tablespoon, and I need about 2 tablespoons of water. When the chili paste and the water mix, I will add the sauce. Cook on low heat. Whatever left in the spoon, stir them. Mix them like that. We'll cook until the onion and the pepper is cooked, and then we're gonna add the chicken, we're gonna add the spring onion, we're gonna add the cashew nut later. We're gonna taste them. Always taste when you're cooking. In case you messed up. Yummy. The pepper, the onions is cooked. I'm gonna add the best part is the crispy chicken. The chicken is so crispy. We're gonna add it in. And then spring onion. And then cashew nut. Looking good. So you guys see how perfect the rice is? This is how you cook the rice. With the hand. Okay, let's go. Put all the food in the table. Oh my god. It's dinner time and it's dark now, so don't mind me if I look a little bit darker. Time for mukbang. Would you guys like to see me do mukbang? The smell right now is so good. Alright, the chicken. Habit rice. So good. Okay, I'm gonna try some. Here. Here. See how good it is? See how good that look? It looks so good, isn't it? The onion. The onion is so sweet. On New Year's, we use the chicken breast, so the chicken quite dry inside and outside is crispy. But this time we use the thigh, which is outside crispy and inside juicy. I think the thighs is better. You guys want to try? Okay. No, I'll eat it for you. So good. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. If you try to cook this recipe, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. Let me know how you like it. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button and comment down below. I will try to answer all of them as much as I can. See you in the next video. Bye bye.